Keep your firearms and blades clean and ready to go with the Flitz Gun and Knife Care Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to clean, polish, and protect with legendary Flitz quality. Cleaning the latest flat and matte finishes couldn't be easier with the Flitz Tactical Matte Finish Cleaner. Just spray the exclusive formula onto the surface, then immediately wipe off with the microfiber. No waiting. It cleans fingerprints, water spots, and oily and waxy residue without leaving a shine, and will not damage parkerized finishes. Tactical never looked so good. Nothing beats premium Flitz polish for removing powder residue, rust, fingerprints, and oils. Just apply a thin film and immediately buff off with the Hunter Orange Flitz microfiber. Use with confidence inside and out on chrome, stainless, and nickel finishes, feed ramps, trigger housings, and even the bore. Always check with your firearm manufacturer before using polish on blued or oxide finishes. For additional protection, and especially before placing your blade or firearm in storage, treat them with Flitz Premium Rifle Gun and Knife Wax. The Brazilian Carnauba and beeswax formula protects against moisture, water spots, dust, rust, powder residue, tree sap, and more. Easy to use, shake well and then apply a small amount to the surface. Let it dry to a haze and then buff off with the Thick and Thirsty microfiber for hydrophobic protection that lasts. Get great cleaning at home or on the go with the Flitz Gun and Knife Care Kit. Your kit contains Tactical Matte Finish Cleaner, legendary Flitz polish, all natural rifle gun and knife wax, and a Thick and Thirsty Ultra Plush Flitz microfiber. Protect your investment with the handy, easy to use, and affordable Flitz Gun and Knife Care Kit. Don't just clean it, Flitz it.